students, how are you all today? Very good, dear students. Once again, I am here, your Preeti madam, and I am going to teach you today environmental studies, okay? Or we can say environmental science. Dear students, already we had finished our lesson 1, wild animals, and lesson 2, pet and domestic animal. So, the third chapter also we had learned yesterday. What is that? Yes, it is on my back, no? You can say, which chapter? Birds, some common birds. So, dear students, birds have, yes, feathers. Birds have wings. Very good. Birds can fly. Birds can fly. But which bird cannot fly? Which bird cannot fly? Yes, ostrich is a bird that cannot fly. Which bird can fly high? Yes, eagle. Eagle can fly high. So, dear students, let's revise some of the names of birds once again by these rhymes. Okay, now say the names of bird with the help of these rhymes. Listen carefully and say the poem with the rhyme. Let's do some activity. Okay, students? And the activity will be from lesson 1 and lesson 2. Okay? It's now activity time. And look at your board. The question is, take the wild animal. So, dear students, do you know the names of wild animals? Yes. So, students, here is a picture of which animal? Lion, cat, and a bird, eagle. Very good. So, you have to find which is the wild animal. And you have to tick the wild animal. Now, eagle is a bird, cat is a pet animal, but lion is a wild animal. So you have to tick in the first box. Very good. Lion is a wild animal. Let's go to the next question. Is picture of a hen, monkey, cock. See, students, which is the wild animal here? Yes. Very good. Monkey. So you have to take monkey because our question is take the wild animals. So like this you practice these type of questions at your home. Let's learn the another question. The second activity goes like this. The question is write W for wild animals and D for domestic animals. Dear students, you have to write W when I will show you the picture of animals. Okay? If it is wild animal, you see, you write there W. And if you see that the animal is domestic, then you have to write D. So the first picture is, yes. So students, which picture is this? Lion. So lion is a wild animal. So what you have to write here in the box? W. Very good. Let's see the next picture. The next picture is cow. Yes, cow is a domestic animal. Very good. So you have to write in the box D, domestic. Okay. Now let's see the another picture. Picture of a, yes, camel. Very good. Camel. Camel is a domestic animal. So what you have to write in the box? D. You have to write D. Then let's see the next picture. Yes, picture of a tiger. Very good. Tiger is a wild animal. So what you have to write in the box? W. Dear students, like this type of activities you practice at home with your parents. Okay? And revise the chapters pet animals, wild animals, domestic animals and birds. Okay students, we are going to meet on the next day. So till then, practice well and do well. Stay safe, stay healthy, be at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.